What are you doing? You all twisted up like a pretzel. You're gonna hurt yourself over there by that piece of furniture. Oh, are you gonna crawl? Come over here. Crawl over to Mom. Come here. Yeah, it's always your first step. Get the butt up in the air. That doesn't look like crawling to me. That doesn't look like crawling to me. Let's go. Yeah. Move those arms.